Hi, this is John with WTI, and right here with me I have one of the other options that I've been using for quick, nice, and easy meals. This is the Campbell Cheddar Cheese Soup. And what I like about this is not your typical like light soup. This is like a thick soup that you put it right directly into the pan. Maybe if you want to add some seasoning, whatever you want to do, and it's actually gonna taste really good. But here's how I've used this in my case. I've used this for the soup I've eaten with the soup, but I added to my rice for it to add like a little flavor into it. And I found that actually the rice with this, it actually tastes awesome, to be honest. So if you're just trying to get out of the comfort zone or trying different things and want to do the weird stuff that I've been doing too while I'm cooking, this is actually a great option for easy, nice, fast, and easy to do meals that are gonna take you what 2 or 3 minutes while you're doing a class or between breaks of your whatever you're doing. This is actually a great option due to its convenience. So this was John with Dolly ATI, and that was my point of view.